All right, coach's log, day 1. I've been on this diet for just about 24 hours now. So far I haven't lost any weight, so I'm not too impressed. I know they're just gonna tell me to, be patient and wait. So it's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it another day or 5 or 10, whatever. So let me just tell you, I do feel a little shift in my mindset. I spent all night last night watching all the videos and, planning and thinking about it, and I got very excited today about it, and I stuck with it pretty easily. I did not feel like there were times when I wish that I was eating, but I will say this, that I've had my breakfast and my lunch, and I decided they said that this snack was optional, snoptional, whatever she called it. So I decided to skip that, but I feel hungry right now, and it's only 5, and I've felt hungry for probably about an hour now. But then again, I do, I eat a lot, as you can tell. I eat a lot. I put it all in my belly. So I think I'm gonna give it until Friday. I'm gonna try to go snack free until Friday and see if my body gets used to it, because I think that right now my body's used to eating all day long, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 5 snacks minimum. So I'm gonna see if maybe on Friday, if I still feel hungry, then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to either add more protein to my breakfast or my lunch, or add a snack of some sort, which is good because I've got my protein bars arriving in the next week, so maybe by then I'll know whether or not I need to eat them. Okay, so I went to the grocery store and I did very well. I was super excited, very proud of myself. I did not buy one thing that was not on my list of appropriate things to buy for my mindset reset thingy. What I did do was I didn't buy toilet paper, but you win some, you lose some, and I'm afraid to go back for toilet paper because I might also get a candy bar, but that's neither here nor there right now. I'm just gonna go toilet paper free for a while. I'm supposed to work out today, but that's also optional. And right now, from training that I did a couple weeks ago, my calf has been killing me, like super cramped all the time. So I'm worried that I strained it, or, it's my body's way of telling me that running isn't an option. Stupid is what it is. I might try the before workouts that I wanted to do because they don't require any running, or at least I'm gonna watch through them. You can burn calories watching workouts, right? Maybe if you envision them enough. I don't know. So that's what I got for you right now, is that I'm hungry, but I don't feel like I've denied myself any food. I still weigh my weights, and 24 hours in, haven't lost any weight, but apparently that's normal. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm excited to see what happens on day 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna maybe stick with this for a little while, get myself prepared to start my exercise routine that I'm gonna begin on the 16th when it's released. And that's it. If you'd like some more information about what I've been doing, about all the food that I've been eating, shoot me a message, let me know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my next video and figure out how this mindset reset thingy goes for me, subscribe and click the little bell, and then you'll be notified when I check back in and let you know that I did really well, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm excited. I guess I don't need my pre-workout today, my Go Juice, since I might not be going anywhere. All right, I'm excited. Bye-bye.